So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the OneDrive backup is consuming a lot of data on your laptop. How you can save data from that. Now, in order to do it, just simply go to the OneDrive option right there. You can find it on the taskbar or in the hidden system tray as well. Open this option, click on settings and click on settings again. And here you need to make sure that this option, that is pause syncing when the device is on, meter connection is set to on, and you just simply need to limit the download and upload rate as well to a particular threshold value so that it won't consume a lot of data at high speed for you, and that will definitely gonna solve your problem. Or you can just simply turn off the backup of OneDrive as well, just by going over there and click on this option of pause syncing for whatever time that you want to save your data for. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.